Welcome to GuyObserve.online's final episode in our groundbreaking series on AI and marine life. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and the notification bell to join our community of technology and nature enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring how artificial intelligence is empowering local communities worldwide to become guardians of our oceans. Dawn breaks over the fishing village of Munkar in Indonesia. The orange sun casts long shadows across traditional fishing boats as they prepare for their morning journey. But this scene of ancient tradition now carries a modern twist. Each fisher pulls out a smartphone, consulting AI-powered applications that merge centuries of traditional knowledge with real-time satellite data. This is the new face of marine conservation, where ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge technology. In the vibrant waters of the Coral Triangle, Maria Santos stands on her wooden boat, her weathered hands holding a smartphone that's revolutionizing how her community fishes. "For generations, my family has fished these waters," she says, her eyes scanning the horizon. "Now, this technology helps us protect our heritage while securing our future." The app she's using combines traditional fishing knowledge passed down through generations with sophisticated AI analysis of satellite data, fish population patterns, and ocean conditions. The results speak for themselves. Since implementing this AI-assisted approach, Maria's community has seen local fish stocks increase by 60%. More importantly, illegal fishing operations have dropped by 85%. "We can now spot potential threats before they even reach our waters," Maria explains, showing how the app alerts local authorities to suspicious vessel movements. If you're inspired by how technology is empowering communities to protect our oceans, make sure to like this video and subscribe to GuyObserve.online. Your support helps us continue sharing these important stories of innovation and conservation. On Australia's Great Barrier Reef, we're witnessing a remarkable collaboration between the world's oldest living culture and cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Dr. James Cooper, an indigenous marine biologist, stands on the beach where his ancestors have lived for over 65,000 years. He's demonstrating a groundbreaking AI platform that incorporates traditional ecological knowledge into its algorithms. "Our people have been reading these waters since time immemorial," he explains, as the system displays a complex map of marine ecosystems. "We understand the subtle relationships between different species, the impact of seasonal changes, and the delicate balance that maintains healthy reefs. Now we're teaching these patterns to AI systems." The platform combines indigenous knowledge of seasonal fish movements, breeding cycles, and ecosystem relationships with data from satellite imagery and underwater sensors. This fusion of ancient wisdom and modern technology has created unprecedented accuracy in predicting ecosystem changes and protecting sensitive marine areas. Along Kenya's pristine coastline, local ranger Sarah Kimani is part of a new generation of tech-savvy conservationists. Her community uses AI-powered monitoring systems to protect their marine reserves, combining traditional patrol methods with advanced technology. "Our ancestors knew every coral head and fish species in these waters," she says. "Now, we're adding another layer of protection with AI." The results have transformed marine protection efforts. Areas under AI-assisted community management have seen fish populations rebound dramatically. Endangered species are returning to protected zones, and local fishing communities are experiencing sustainable abundance not seen in decades. Don't forget to like and subscribe to GuyObserve.online if you're finding these stories inspiring. Hit that notification bell to stay updated on more amazing developments in technology and conservation. At the Marine Science Institute in California, Dr. Elena Rodriguez leads us through their community science hub. Here, AI systems process data from thousands of citizen scientists worldwide, creating a global network of ocean guardians. "Each community's observations help train our AI models," she explains. "Traditional knowledge from fishing communities in Indonesia helps us understand similar ecosystems in the Caribbean. It's all connected." The system has already led to several breakthrough discoveries. In Malaysia, combining traditional knowledge with AI analysis revealed previously unknown breeding grounds for endangered sea turtles. In the Mediterranean, similar partnerships helped predict and prevent coral bleaching events weeks before they would have occurred. The impact of these community AI partnerships extends far beyond individual success stories. In protected areas using these technologies, the numbers tell a compelling story. Fish populations have increased by an average of 300% within 5 years. Coral reef health has improved by 70%, showing remarkable resilience even in the face of climate change. Local fishing communities have seen their sustainable catches increase by 45%, while illegal fishing has plummeted by 90%. Dr. Michael Chen, of the Global Marine Conservation Initiative, explains the significance. When you combine AI's analytical power with local communities' deep understanding of their marine environments, you create an unbeatable force for conservation. These aren't just statistics. They represent real communities protecting real ecosystems. Looking ahead, even more exciting developments are emerging from research laboratories worldwide. At MIT's Ocean AI Lab, researchers are developing next-generation systems that will transform marine conservation. These new platforms can predict ecosystem changes months in advance, helping communities adapt their conservation strategies to changing conditions. We're creating a neural network that learns from every community it interacts with, explains Dr. Sarah Jenkins, lead researcher at MIT. When a fishing community in Thailand discovers a successful conservation strategy, the AI immediately analyzes how this might benefit similar ecosystems in Mexico or Madagascar. It's like creating a global brain for ocean conservation. In the Maldives, local communities are testing new AI systems that can detect coral bleaching up to 3 months before it occurs. This early warning system gives conservationists precious time to implement protective measures. Before this technology, we could only react to bleaching events, says local marine biologist Hassan Ahmed. Now we can prevent them. The implications extend beyond coral reefs. In the Pacific, indigenous communities are using AI to track changing migration patterns of tuna populations. The system combines traditional knowledge of fish behavior with satellite data on ocean temperatures and currents. This integration has helped communities maintain sustainable fishing practices, even as climate change disrupts traditional patterns. Back in Indonesia, the fishing community has transformed into a global model of sustainable marine management. Local fisher Ahmed Rahman's boat now carries sophisticated sensors that feed data to their AI system. Every trip we make adds to our understanding, he explains. The technology helps us know when and where to fish. But more importantly, it helps us understand when not to fish. We're not just taking from the ocean anymore. We're its guardians. The system these fishers use does more than track fish populations. It monitors water quality, identifies potential pollution sources, and even detects subtle changes in ocean chemistry that might indicate emerging problems. This early warning capability has helped the community prevent several potential environmental crises before they could develop. In the Caribbean, similar technology is helping local communities restore damaged reef systems. AI-powered underwater drones map coral reefs in unprecedented detail, identifying areas that need immediate intervention. The AI shows us exactly where to plant new coral for the best chance of survival, explains marine conservationist Maria Gonzalez. It's like having a master gardener for the ocean. The success of these programs has caught the attention of international conservation organizations. The United Nations Environment Program is now working to make these AI tools available to coastal communities worldwide. What we're seeing is a democratization of marine conservation technology, explains UN Coordinator Dr. James Wilson. Communities that have protected these waters for generations are now being empowered with tools that amplify their efforts. In South Africa, local communities are using AI to protect endangered shark populations. The system helps identify and track individual sharks, monitoring their behavior patterns and protecting critical habitats. We've named many of these sharks, says community leader Thabo Mbeki. The AI helps us understand their individual personalities and needs. They're not just numbers in a database. They're part of our community. Perhaps most importantly, these technologies are inspiring a new generation of ocean guardians. In coastal schools worldwide, students are learning to use AI tools for marine conservation. They're combining traditional ecological knowledge passed down from their elders with cutting-edge technology, creating a powerful new approach to ocean protection. Young conservationist Maya Patel, age 16, demonstrates how she uses an AI app to monitor mangrove forests near her home in India. The app helps us understand how mangroves protect our coastline and support marine life, she explains. When we plant new mangroves, the AI tells us exactly where they'll have the best chance of survival. The fusion of artificial intelligence and community knowledge represents our best hope for protecting marine ecosystems. But technology alone isn't enough. It requires engaged communities and dedicated individuals worldwide. Each person who gets involved, each community that adopts these tools, adds to our collective ability to protect our oceans. As we conclude our 3-part series on AI and marine conservation, we've witnessed how technology is empowering communities to become more effective guardians of their marine heritage. From traditional fishing villages to modern research centers, from indigenous communities to young conservationists, people everywhere are combining ancient wisdom with artificial intelligence to protect our oceans. The future of marine conservation lies in this powerful partnership between human knowledge and artificial intelligence. As these technologies continue to evolve and spread to more communities, they offer hope for the preservation of marine ecosystems worldwide. Each success story, each recovered reef, each protected species represents a victory not just for technology, but for the communities that have been guardians of these waters for generations. Thank you for joining us throughout this journey, exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and marine conservation. Don't forget to subscribe to GuyObserve.online and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more fascinating developments in AI and environmental protection. Together, we can help create a future where technology and communities work hand in hand to protect our precious marine ecosystems. This is GuyObserve.online, signing off from our final episode in the series, AI and Marine Life, a digital revolution in ocean conservation. Until next time, remember that every wave of innovation brings us closer to a healthier ocean for all.